Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purposes only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have and carry risk. Consult with an individual professional if you have questions. Well, here we are, and coming out the weekend, we're now up. We've forgotten about Turkey, and all is well in the world. The NASDAQ is up, 1/3%. The S&P's up small. The Dow's up small. The one little thing I'm worried about is that Russell. Now, the Russell was pretty flat on Friday. Seems to be a little flat today. Seems to maybe having nothing to do with what's going on. As you can see, Apple is up. Amazon is up. Facebook is up again. It's back to 180, but it's made a nice run. And Google, all those names are kind of up. Looking at our individual ETFs, biotech's down, energy down, consumer, non-cyclical down a touch, and retail, but basically everything is up. Industrials, you name it, technology. So the way today's lining up, I think that we're due for probably a big give back from Friday in terms of volatility. I don't see how vol holds up. And when I look at how everything is trading, I'm going to be kind of messing around with some short-dated vol play because, like I said, I think vol probably got way over, got a little oversold, and then super overbought on Friday. Basically had no business moving as hard as it did, and we're seeing the results of that today as kind of the world fades Friday's fear. Turkey just doesn't seem to matter because it's not that big of an economy. It's not a part of the Eurozone, but it continues to drop. There's definitely some issues with Turkey. We set up some bearish plays, and those continue to be kind of interesting here. So I'll be probably unwinding part of my September trade and leaving on the August. But yeah, there is definitely some downside in Turkey where people are really afraid that economy is going to collapse, and guess what? It might. But even so, take a look at IFA. I mean, it's having a tiny effect on developed worlds, even EEM, the emerging market, down a little less than 1%, not the end of the world. I think you're going to see U.S. equity markets continue to fade this move. VIX is going to drop into the 12s, maybe 11s. Definitely I think 11 by the end of the week and 12s today. We do have some earnings this week. Deere is interesting. I'll take a look at that, and AMAT. And that, my friends, is basically the way the week is lining up and the day is lining up. I think look for a nicely green day and fall down on the day. All right. Hey, make sure you've bought my book. If not, let me know. If you buy my book and send me your receipt, I'll give you a 2-week trial to Option Pit Live. All right, everybody. Have a great day.